Well, what about auto rates? Do you all work with automobiles?
Yes, we do. So one of the more frequently asked questions that we get is, how do I save money on auto insurance? Because everybody knows premiums aren't going down very often. So just to give some helpful tips on discounts you may qualify for, multi-policy, you hear it called bundling sometimes. So having your home and auto with the same company is going to give you a pretty good discount on your insurance premiums. A few other things as far as the auto goes, multi-car. So if you have all your cars on the same policy, which we highly recommend coverage-wise and discount-wise, having more than one auto on your policy gives you discounts. When you look at people that have possibly teenage drivers, I think it's very expensive. So you've probably heard of the good student discount. Most companies will offer a good student discount to those students that have a B average or higher.
Oh, okay.
So you're trying to talk those kids into staying on the books and getting their B average so that their auto premiums aren't through the roof. So
Yeah, another way to do that is get the kids to pay for it.
that's a little motivation right there.
Yes,
for
that's
sure.
right.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Well, that's interesting to know then, and so I hope some of the kids are listening to that. Do
Yeah.
your parents a favor, maybe even yourself, to
Yeah.
Keep those grades up there.
exactly.
And a lot of them think
exactly.
I'm just working towards, so I'll have a good GPA, maybe towards college or just to get into college. But no, hey, this goes all the way around.
Mhm, that's
Absolutely.
right.
Yep.
A few of the other discounts that aren't quite as common with all companies, but a lot of them will call it affinity discounts or career discounts. So, for example, we have a carrier that gives a very large discount for teachers, for paid and volunteer firefighters, and medical providers. So, there's also some other companies that give discounts for other occupations, but those are some of the ones that stick out in my mind as having pretty good discounts with some of the companies we represent.
And what did you title that? What kind of name did you
They
give
call
that?
it the affinity discount.
Affinity.
I would call it career or occupation discount, just so it doesn't get confused.
But
So,
is it kind of just we want to recognize you for doing what you do? Is it that kind of discount,
Yep.
or is there more
Yep.
to it than that?
Yep.
No, we just want to
that's
recognize.
exactly right. They, when you look at, let's use firefighters for example, they are actively trying to prevent and reduce the fires that are causing these insurance companies a lot of claim dollars. So to reward them for what they do for the communities that they live in, they're offering this discount to entice them to come with us and to help promote their services.
Yeah, well, that's one way to show love, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
Absolutely.